Hey guys, in this video we're going to be showing you how to apply for a Co-Operative Bank Credit Card online. It's quick, straightforward, and you can do the whole thing right from your computer or phone. So first, head over to the Co-Operative website, and once you're there, simply look for the credit cards section. So this is going to be found at the top of the page. So when you open it, you will then be able to see a few options like the Members Cashback Credit Card, the 3-year fixed rate credit card, and the Balance Transfer Credit Card. So simply click the button that says Find out more about your card. So this will then take you to a page with more details about the card. So things like benefits, rates, and features. So once you scroll down a bit, you will then see the actual apply button. So when you click this, it will then allow you to proceed to the next stage. So now, as you can see, this section shows you everything you need to have before you begin applying. So stuff like earning at least £10,000 a year, being 18 or older, being unemployed, self-employed or retired, and not having any recent credit issues like CCJs or defaults. And after you tick all the boxes, confirming you meet all those requirements, you will then move on to the next part, where it will then ask you about your credit limit. So simply how much you want to apply for. It can be anywhere from £500 to £15,000 in multiples of £50. So from there, it's just about entering your personal and financial details, reviewing everything and submitting your application. Once done, you will then get a response from the bank with their response and the limit details. So that's really it. I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.